Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make old filters with CapCut. Alright, so what you need to know is basically that CapCut doesn't offer all filters. However, but when you want to edit all filters, all you need to do is to get an application called FaceApp. So when you finish editing your all filters from FaceApp, you can then import them into CapCut. Alright, so FaceApp is on Play Store. So when you come to Play Store, you can come and download this application called FaceApp. Then you download and open it. This is how it will look like. Okay, all right. So when you finish downloading your FaceApp application, you come and select a photo that you want to add to make an old filter. Okay, so I'll select this one here. All right, let me select this one here. All right, so I'll finish selecting that photo. So as you can see, these are the filters here. So I'll look for the one that has edge. All right, so that's the one. So I'll look for the one that has old. So that's old. All right, so I choose this one here, then I apply. So I have to wait for it as I'm applying. As you can see, it has finished applying. So this person really looks old, as you can see. So when you finish applying the old filter, you save it. All right, so you save it. So you have finished saving it. So when you're done saving it, you can go back to your gallery. Okay, so you're finished saving it. So let's come to CapCut now. All right, so when you come to CapCut, come and tap on new project, then come to photos. It will be here, the first one here. So you can import it like that. All right, so as you can see, it's now an old filter and it's in CapCut. As you can see, this person is an old person. Okay, so that's how you can edit old filters in CapCut. You need to use FaceApp, then you import the edited pictures into CapCut. All right, so if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing and leave a like to our channel. Okay, so thank you for watching.